In this short video, I'm going to detail the information that you need to know to create a lab. I'm going to cover an explanation for what the labs consist of. I'm going to show you information about how to locate videos that are associated with the labs, how to format a lab document correctly, how to obtain the required screenshot, and then how to properly save and upload your final product into Blackboard. In the course menu, you will notice that there is a section under Course Materials titled Labs. On the syllabus, at various points in the semester, you will see that I am asking you to turn in an assignment titled a lab, so you can find initial information about labs under this particular location in the course menu. Under this tab, you can see a brief description of what a lab will consist of and links to the various videos that are associated with labs. Basically, a lab is an outside assignment that is a part of the course that is used to enrich your experience and to give you or help you brush up on key skills that you will need to be successful along the way. So for instance, the first lab is on how to write an academic summary. The next one is on basic essay structure, comparison and contrast essays following that, formal writing, and then opinion or persuasive essays. All of these are key components that you will need for this particular course to help you find success. In other courses that I teach, the labs are also required but may have different titles, but the basic process is the same. So you must follow the order of the videos when producing a lab assignment. For each course, labs always start with video number 1, how to write a summary. To access the video, simply select the hypertext.
We're Rhett and Link. We wanted to show.
In almost all cases, the hypertext will take you straight to the video.
How we created our amazing new website with Wix.
Like most YouTube videos, you may be asked to watch an advertisement, but once the advertisement is finished, you can skip to the video. For instance, here it shows you that the video will begin in 2 seconds, and the video is a video by Sean McLeod titled How to Write a Summary. The videos are pretty short. They're usually between maybe 3 and 6 minutes, so they don't take long to watch. But once you watch the video, and I encourage you to take notes on the video while you watch the video, you can head back over to this section, review the basic requirements for the lab, and then if you scroll down the page a little further, I have an example. Again, I reiterate what is expected of the lab and what a final product will look like. The final product basically is a correct MLA heading, including a page number, title, and then a full academic summary of the contents of each video. For instance, in the first video, you will be watching how to write a summary. So you will summarize the video on how to write a summary, including all major details that are described in the video. So the first video is going to discuss how to write a summary, and you're going to make sure that you include all major details that are discussed within that process of writing a summary. Create a well-edited body paragraph that has all the key components of a summary, and then a screenshot. So your final product will look something like this, though it may be longer depending on the content of the video. One thing that's important to remember is that a complete and fully developed academic summary is never just 2 or 3 sentences. After watching the video, you'll see why. So, as a reminder, labs should begin with a strong introductory sentence that specifically introduces the title of the video, the speaker, and the publisher. That's something you'll learn in the first video. Labs should include a complete academic summary, which includes all major details in each video. There's no set length. However, each lab should include all details discussed in each video. Labs can never be 2 to 3 sentences. They are a full academic summary with an introductory sentence, details, transitions, and a concluding sentence. Labs should include a complete summary first, and then the screenshot of the video. You can get a screenshot by using Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clipping in Microsoft Word. I'll show you that process in just a minute. Lab assignments should follow MLA style guidelines for basic layout of MLA essays. Labs can all be completed early, but they can never be completed late. They're only worth 20 points each. There's 5 of them, and they're a total of 10% of your course grade. So it's a great opportunity to make some really solid points towards your final average, but you do have to pay attention to some details. Labs are due by 11 p.m. on the designated due date of this course. So for our course's purpose, that is always 11 p.m. on Thursday evening of each given week, where it's indicated on the syllabus that they are due. Like all documents, labs must be submitted as a .doc or .pdf. It's important to remember that I cannot grade or give you feedback on any other kind of document format. And I do expect that you're diligent with this process. In some cases, I've been known to assign a 0 for students who fail to submit their documents correctly. So take the time to make sure that you've saved your document correctly before you hit submit. To complete the lab process, you will create your MLA heading, and this is discussed elsewhere in the course. So a correctly formatted MLA heading with the correct spacing, font, size, and then once you've done this, create a title for your document. It could be something as simple as lab number 1, lab number 2. And then from there, write your complete academic summary. Once you're done with this, I ask that you include a screenshot. To achieve a screenshot you will want to have your video of your lab open behind your Microsoft Office document. So put your Microsoft Office document in front of the video. Make sure your cursor is below your summary information. Go to Insert. Once you go to Insert, go across to Screenshot. Select Screenshot. Scroll down to Screen Clipping. And once you've done this, the window right behind your Microsoft Office Word document will open. At this point, you can move your cursor to the upper left-hand corner, select the mouse button, the left mouse button, scroll diagonally across the video surface to the far corner, release your left mouse button, and that image becomes a manipulative, an image that you can manipulate within Microsoft Office Word. So you can see that you can resize this image and to some degree move it around so that it fits your purposes. The emphasis on this document is not the image. The emphasis on this document is the content, the full academic summary that you've created. Remember to always edit your documents for grammar mistakes, provide good transition between ideas, and make sure that you've included all key components of a good academic summary, which includes a proper introduction that introduces the speaker, the video, the publisher, full content summary of the video's contents, and then a concluding statement. If you do all these things and you handle your MLA heading correctly, this is an opportunity to achieve some very easy points in this course. Good luck with producing your labs. Like always, I'm just an email away. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.